What is happening, mediocre YouTube? So now that this fall project, oh, this is another fall project actually, but I'll show you. Now that this fall project is complete, got some good butt off this. It smells fucking fantastic. I'm gonna show you guys the fall project, and you see it. And you guys remember this guitar. This was given to me by one of my viewers, and I've been meaning to do this upgrade for quite a while. We're going to do a Floyd Rose locking nut, so we're going to be doing some routing there and putting in a locking nut. And we've got a old Jackson Floyd Rose, one of the good ones, that's going to go in here. And now we're gonna have to do some routing because, you know, obviously these have to. This is the new pick guard that's gonna go on here too. It's just an aged pearlite. I thought it would be cool because of the inlays. So we're gonna have to do some routing. Definitely in here. This has got to come out, and some's got to come out here because, you know, these have to come up forward. The good news is we have plenty of meat here to accommodate the Floyd Rose, and it's all good, you know, mahogany and maple, so that's good news. And what's interesting to me is I wonder if this guitar was built with, you know, a Floyd Rose in mind, because there's literally there's like a little lip here that needs to be taken out with the router, and a little lip here, and basically once you route that out, you can accommodate a Floyd. Probably see it better from the back. Once you route, see that lip, this lip I'm talking about right here, basically that's what's going to be routed out in order to accommodate the Floyd to get it to the right, 25.5-inch scale length. The other thing that's interesting, here's the old bridge. We may not have to do any routing in here to accommodate it, and here's why. If you look and see how high these saddles, I mean, they were cranked way, they're cranked way up, and that was, the action was too low with these saddles cranked all the way up. So we may get lucky here and not even have to route a channel for the Floyd, because if I set this in here like this, and I set this out here level, and I run a straight edge over there, a level, it's actually telling me that this needs to come up. So that's good news. Maybe. We'll see. If we have to route it, we'll make a jig and we'll route it. I got the original to butt right straight to the body studs. I like those better. I'll tell you what, on my Kramer has an original Floyd Rose from the 1980s, like 1984, and it's direct to the body studs. And for all I've said about tone wood and not making a difference and everything, I'm telling you right now, there's something about going directly to the body with the studs that makes a difference. I don't know what it is, but it certainly makes a difference on how these whammy. And you know what I'm talking about if you've tried out, several different Floyd Roses. There's a certain flutter that you get out of the older ones that you don't get out of, some of the Ibanez Edge stuff. And the Ibanez stuff is fantastic. Some of it. This thing here is far from fantastic. I don't know what they call that, speed loader or type or whatever, but this whammy is far from fantastic. And whatever, it's a really cheap guitar. It's a RG270, but it plays great. I love these necks. These Wizard 2 necks are fantastic. But I also really friggin' dig this neck. This is a great neck. So yeah, this is the fall project. I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I'm waiting on a locking nut now, so I might start doing some routing here, but The nut should be in the next day or so. So yeah, this is going to be the project. I'm going to go ahead and try to video document it, and it's going to get JB in the bridge, and it's going to get Texas hot or something like that, 2 single coils up in the neck and middle position. So I hope you guys will enjoy this one. I know I'm going to. Always try to take on a little fall project guitar wise, which I have some recording going on right now, or upcoming recording going on. I really don't want to fuck up my hands right now, because I need every ounce of talent that I have in order to be successful in this recording venture that I'm doing. It's some Randy Rhoads stuff, and it's tough to really nail. It's you guys will hear those recordings too. I'm doing some covers. They're old Ozzy tunes, Randy Rhoads stuff, so I will post that as well when we get done with it. It's probably going to be in the next, I hope we record, I need at least another week before on this one solo to really nail it. So I'm hoping we get this couple of songs recorded by Thanksgiving, and it's going to be me and my brother, which is something that is pretty cool. Going to be pretty near and dear to our hearts. So election day is tomorrow, and I hope you get out and vote. Maybe I'll do a video then. Until next time, peace.